So hi guys, today in this video I will tell you about the War of Independence which occurred from 1857 till 1859. In this video I will tell you that what was War of Independence, what were the causes of the war and why were Indians defeated. So now let's begin. So guys, what was War of Independence? War of Independence was a war fought between Britishers and Indians from 1857 till 1859. In this war, Britishers wanted to rule the subcontinent, whereas people of some continent want freedom and independence, but overall Britishers were victorious. So now let's discuss what were the causes of the War of Independence. There were many causes of the war, like some were military causes, political causes, social and religious causes, and economic causes. So now let's discuss these causes. Military causes. What were military causes? There were many military causes, like first there was issue of grease cartridges, then there was forcible conversion of sepoys to Christianity, and then forcing sepoys to leave their homeland and go to Afghanistan. Issue of grease cartridges was very important. In this, Britishers made a weapon which was a rifle, in which it was known that that weapon has been greased by fat of pig, which was not acceptable by Muslims in Islam, and it is also greased by fat of cow, which was not acceptable by Hindus, which increased the rivalry. The second reason was that the Britishers started forcing Indian soldiers to convert into Christianity, and the third reason was that Britishers also forced the Indian soldiers to leave their homeland and go to Afghanistan and fight for them. There were also social and religious causes of the war. Social causes were that as British government was spreading, so the British culture was also spreading as people of subcontinent started following the British culture. In religious issues, the Britishers started forcing local people to convert into Christianity, and the other very important reason is that the Britishers started opening school and started teaching Christianity to the children. Economic causes. There were also many economic causes which caused the war. The first reason is that Britishers increased the taxes and misused them, and they also made the taxes mandatory for all local people of subcontinent, which was not affordable by every people of subcontinent, and they also gave less salary to the Indian soldiers. So what were the political causes of the War of Independence? The political causes were that the British government was not providing equal rights to the people of subcontinent, and the other reason was that they replaced Arabic and Hindi and made English the official language of the subcontinent. After the War of Independence was declared over, Indians were failed and British were victorious. But why Indians were failed? The first big reason is the lack of unity. There was no unity in the Indian army, as different people from different areas were fighting for their own right. The second reason was lack of leadership. The people of subcontinent was not having a good and experienced leader, as there was no good available leader, and their leader was not having experience regarding warfare. And the third reason was inexperienced soldiers. The Indian soldiers were not having experience in warfare. And another big reason was the Indians were having old and traditional weapons, as they were fighting from swords and daggers and archers, whereas British were having good strength and they were having modern weapons like guns, rifles and bullets, which destroyed Indians very easily. These were the reasons that why Indians failed in the War of Independence.